couples only for Christmas on Cup of Joe. I have Anil and Kineta James. They are internet sensation guys. Go and follow them. I'm pleading with you. It's going to be a good follow. Instagram, TikTok. Forming your own YouTube channel, I think I heard now.
Yes.
Which is under the same tag?
Same thing.
Facebook as well.
Same thing. Yeah. But the YouTube channel is a different type of challenge.
It's a different type of content, yes. It's more conversation.
Conversation.
But they're talking to each other.
Not really talking. we talk about past experiences.
Right.
Like challenges we had to go through. Like, so we go into depth. So, you know, TikTok is like a minute,
Quick.
30 seconds like that. So
yeah.
these videos are like 20 minutes, 17 minutes of conversation.
And both of you are on camera.
Yeah.
It started already or started the YouTube channel already?
it started.
Okay, I'll go and check it out. I didn't check out the YouTube channel.
We're like fiends for it right now.
Right now we need to get back to doing what they want some questions answered. So that's going to be the next thing we're going to put
So what was the first topic you all discussed? You all just sat and discussed?
Us.
Serious?
How we met. Because that's a curious one.
So you know exploring even and letting out more of yourself a little more.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. No.
These stories are interesting. This
Right.
is why persons gravitate.
Yeah.
There's always something.
And as I told you, Anil, what it is as well, a lot of times, and for both of you all, there will be couples that would identify and
Correct,
say,
is right.
And also, you see what Kineta said this morning, and there will be couples that would identify with things,
Yep,
you know?
for sure.
How long you guys married?
8 years.
8 years.
8?
Yeah. Together for 9.
Together for 9?
Anna run me down.
No, that's
He did.
You see, there's a lot of familiarities with my story. And no shame. You get through. No, you get through after a year.
Listen, what?
I take 5 years before I get through. I run on for about 2 years and then I get through. But yes, I run
Listen, he met me in May. We started date in August of 2013. By December 2013, we were engaged. He run me down.
Remember, telling couples.
Yeah.
So Christmas morning, if you're not into the ham, lamb, and jam, not everybody into that kind of thing.
I like something different.
Something a little different. And that's what Ocean Delight is here for. Okay. Ocean Delight has some special guys.
Big. Never see shrimp.
These are prawns.
Wow.
These are shrimp. These are Ocean Delight prawns. Colossal, huge, big. With another synonym I can use there? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, we making some Ocean Delight shrimp for Christmas. What we're going to do, if you're not into the ham, lamb, and jam, I have to not look at Kineta right now. We're doing a little surf and turf. So,
Surf and turf?
Yeah, so in other words, seafood
Okay.
and a little meat. So what I did here is what I did with some leftover ham. You chop up a little bit of the leftover ham, or you just slice off a piece of the ham and you chop it up nice and small.
Sauteed.
Some peppers, sauteed down. I have some green seasoning, some little green seasonings in here, salt, pepper, and that's about it. I'll show you what I'm going to do with that.
Right.
The first thing is really to deal with this guy here.
Oh.
So it comes already deveined. Look at that, already deveined, cleaned and everything. So all I want to do is to get the main shell off.
Anil, pay attention so you can do this.
And yes, so this is very important, Anil. This is your job here, Anil.
Easy thing.
Right?
Right.
I want the tail to remain on. So I am pulling just here and leaving the tail on. The tail has a little kind of special look that it gives it a little bit kind of thing, right? So you could discard of this. This could make good shrimp stock. You put it in a little bit of water if
Stock.
yeah, I'll talk to you about that after. That's another. So the tail on looks like nice and pretty. It gives a nice pretty effect. And it also will help with when I have to stuff it. But all I'm doing now is taking a knife and just following along this pattern of the devein, where the devein normally is, and slicing, not right down. I just want what's kind of the fancy chef name for it is butterflying the shrimp.
Okay.
Yeah. And we just cut, and you get this nice wide surface area here. And what you do now is that you place it there.
Look like a scorpion, yes?
It actually does. It does.
That's what you want, yeah?
Yeah.
Rest is there for Anna to pay attention.
We're doing that, don't worry.
Right? And I'm going to now pull together the stuffing. So we're doing a surf and turf stuffed shrimp. And I have some cream cheese that I'm adding in here. And I have some ricotta cheese. This just gives it a little texture. If you have cream cheese alone, go brave. You really don't need the ricotta, but the ricotta does give it a little texture. And you kind of get all that mushed in together, mixed around. Add some breadcrumbs and mix in the breadcrumbs for some texture and firms it up a little bit nicely. To this, guys, I am just adding now the ham mixture with the peppers.
Nice.
Add it straight in there.
Nice.
Actually, it's good to eat this like that.
It looks good to eat. It really is, though. It really is. But trust the process here, right? Trust the process. And I'm just gonna mix in the ham.
It smells good.
Smells good, huh?
This is getting me hungry.
Yeah. I would like to ensure that you reseason. The cream cheese and the ricotta really kind of grabs up all the flavor, so reseason at this point. Another little spice, I love smoked paprika. So you could look for paprika, but if you find smoked paprika,
Smoked paprika.
oh my goodness,
Remember
that's a little
all of
tip.
it, Anil.
That's a little
All of
tip.
it.
That's a little tip.
You have a recipe book, don't
You,
worry.
CopperJoeCaribbean.com.
Right.
You guys like a little pepper?
A little spice.
A little thing, nothing too much. You like a medium pepper guy, medium pepper kind of people.
He's a medium guy.
You plenty. Right, I do 3/4 there.
I realize.
I do 3/4. I do 3/4.
This work with the local doubles, man.
Yeah, slight, and then you're burning. Right, and that's it, guys. So this is where the magic comes in now. This is where the magic starts here. Some olive oil at the base of the dish, right? Very simple. Just make sure your dish nice and oiled up, and then you can start now taking your shrimp. All I did with the shrimp: salt, pepper, a little shadow benny. I use some of the same salt, smoked paprika, and I am just going to now take.
I want to see stuffing.
Yeah, so
process.
this is very simple. A little spoonful, and I rest it on top there. Spoonful and a half.
Okay.
Spoonful and a half. And that's one.
Oh,
All right.
okay,
So the tail holding it down.
The tail holding it down, and the butterfly giving it a nice little surface
base,
area.
a nice base to sit
Yeah,
on.
very simple. Spoonful and a half. Form a nice mound.
I can see myself eating this.
Yes, this is couples Christmas.
I think.
This is couples Christmas.
No.
So this is more than decorations. The lemon, the lime, the rosemary will infuse when it goes in the oven and kind of give the shrimp a nice fragrance. You eat with your eyes, you eat with your nose.
I just eat.
You just eat, Anna. Anna just eat. In the oven. One of the family folks at Ocean Life for making it possible. You can do a seafood Christmas, a little surf and turf if you're not into the ham, lamb, and jam. These lovely colossal shrimp are available, and you can get it now and plan a couple's Christmas with these lovely shrimp. In the oven, 10 minutes.
Ooh.
That's what we're talking about.
Nice.
That's really good.
10 to 12 minutes. It's a big shrimp, guys. So make sure you allow it time to do what it has to do.
Nice.
And I'm going to serve up Anil and Kineta this now.
Wow, you pull that fast.
You pull it? You pull fast there? You pull fast there.
Quick on the draw.
It is nice.
So remember I said,
Yeah, make sure I get the bigger ones.
okay, no, I wasn't doing that though.
really
I wasn't, I really wasn't. But he getting a big fella here. I really wasn't doing that.
I
Negative.
don't mend this thing. Mend this thing like that. Nice. So just eat, just go ahead and eat.
Dive in, guys.
Let me see what's going on, you know.
This is Christmas couple style.
yeah.
Seafood for Christmas.
And I'm looking forward to this. Been doing it this year.
It's hot.
Well, we can see that. The mouth have a coolant.
Yeah.
Not now.
Tell him
long time.
blue, tell him blue.
Let's juggle it around this.
Really good. Oh my.
And the cream cheese in it.
This is really, really good.
We